Hello guys, Bengkoy here, and today we're going to open the tablet. So let's open it up. Yes, open it up. Okay, here's the Samsung tablet. Get this box out. Ooh, looks good. Take this out. Oh yeah. This looks pretty good. And then I can still take it out if I wanted to. But first we need to hold it. Oh wow. On the back there's okay, so let's get this out. Oh yeah, here let's get this tablet out. Oh yeah, here's the tablet. Okay, let's get this Samsung thing out. And then here is the tablet, a Samsung. We got Samsung logo. Okay, Samsung Tab 6. Look, here's camera. Look Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Okay, here's the Samsung logo, and then the S Pen is right over here. Oh yeah. I will turn this around. Hold on. Okay, here's the S Pen. Looks pretty good. And then boom. That's good. Oh wow. A brand new. Here's the tablet, and also what we got here is this one. This is for the tray of the Samsung. We can get this out, but I don't think we're going to do it. But also the tray should be right down here. Can I see it? Oh yeah. Here's this one. Make sure I don't break anything. If it's going to not come out. Okay, it's not going to come out like Mama did. He did it. But we're not going to get this out. I think I'm going to break anything. So we are going to put this back. Here's the S Pen. And then also what we got here. Okay, so also what we got here is the charging port. It's made in Vietnam. Yeah, and then here's the nib. This is smaller. Look, that's the camera. And then also what we got here is the headphones. Oh, okay. Also what we got here's the charger. The charger can be used for plugging things if the tablet is low, but like that. I think we're going to do this, and then the last one is the headphones. Okay, I think we're done. So let's put this box. 1, 2. Oh yeah, 3. 4. Oh my, this looks very hard, right? Oh yeah, that's very easy. And then 6. This one come off again. Can I put this in here? Okay, that will be not lost. Okay, so we're done with the tablet. Okay, structure unlock. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, tablet is starting. I'm using the S Pen. Okay, also it's 48%. And then look how it shows video. Oh wait. Oh yeah, this very good. Oh yeah, works recording. And then what about? Let's turn this list. What about? Yeah, about works. We're done, and then let's put this back. And then what about the white thing? And then so let's put it back. Okay, yeah, we're done. And then doesn't look like heating up. Okay, and then let's do this one. Wow, it also fits. Oh wow. And also put the final one. Okay. Bye guys. I hope you subscribe and then like the video and then hit the notification bell. Bye bye.